So today we'll be talking about retinol, retinoid, vitamin A skincare recommendation. I would also be rating them. I started using retinols from my 20s only. So I already made a short video explaining what is retinol, difference between retinol and retinoids. Make sure that you check it. Skincare in 60 seconds. What is retinol and is it only for old people? No. Vitamin A, which is also known as retinoids, and there are three types of vitamin A. First is retinol, which is found in most of the OTC skincare products like your serum, moisturizer, and it needs to be converted into retinoic acid as a skin can only use retinoic acid. That's why retinol takes almost 30 days to show results. Second, retinoid esters, weakest form of vitamin A, less irritating, so beginner friendly. Third is retinoic acid, and you should take it from prescription only as it does not need to get converted into retinoic acid, so it works faster on the skin. Vitamin A is a cell communicating ingredient. It increases the production of collagen and also your cell turnover rate. That's how you get this new skin. It also fades dark spots, treats acne, and prevent wrinkles. These two things are very important for that youthful looking skin. So I'm gonna start with my number one recommendation, and it's the Neutrogena Rapid Repair Wrinkle Moisturizer. It's 0.3% retinol, and make sure that you're using your retinol moisturizer in the nighttime only. So it's very beginner friendly and it did not cause me any purging. And make sure that you use a facial oil after this so that your skin does not feel dry. And I would rate it as 9 out of 10. Next is the retinol 0.8% Eclat serum. Now a lot of you wanted me to try this serum, and actually I was going to do a collaboration, but that didn't go through because it just did not work that great on my skin, honestly. So I think I would rate it as 5 out of 10, and I wouldn't recommend this to you guys. Next is the Plum Bakuchiol Retinol Serum. It is 1% retinol serum, and it's so beginner friendly, so gentle, and so amazing. Like, it's so effective. I could see the difference from day one after using this serum. It made my skin so soft, supple, and glowy. So I would rate it, I think, 9.5 out of 10 or maybe 10 of 10. And since it's in the serum form, so it will work faster as compared to a moisturizer, because both of these are different delivery systems and serums work faster on the skin. And lastly, the Dr. Sheth Roseb Retinoid Power Emulsion. Now this moisturizer has 2% retinoid, granactive retinoid. This was my first retinoid moisturizer and I really loved it. And because of this, I used so many of the retinol products. If you're a sensitive skin type, I think you should start with this one because it has granactive retinoid, which is like much gentler as compared to retinol. And I would rate it as 8 or maybe 8.5 out of 10. So that's all for my retinol recommendations, kitties, and you can start as soon as in your 20s. If you see premature signs of aging or if you have smile lines, fine lines, you can start in your 20s as well. And that's it for today's video, kitties. I will see you soon with my next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you soon. Bye. Take care.